welcome back to my channel. My name is Shari and I am based here in Cagayan de Oro City. So as you can see in the title, this video is about a mini haul. I'm going to show you what I've got from one of the stores here in Cagayan de Oro. It is called Aizilym, and yeah, it is in Cogon Market. So let's proceed! So my main reason kung anong nag-add ko dito sa store is because I wanted to buy a wallpaper for my netbook computer guy. Ito siya, so daghan kay siya o gas-gas as you can see. Ayan po siya. So this is a sentimental value because it's a gift for me. Kaya yeah, for some reasons nawala siya, tsaka noong December 25, bumalik siya. But ang dami niya ng gas-gas. So that is why bumili ako ng wallpaper para to cover yung screen niya. Para medyo presentable naman siya. So for the first one, syempre yung wallpaper yung ipapakita ko po sa inyo. This is buy one take one. Ayan po siya. Ayan. So as you can see, the first one is a parang marble yung design niya. Ayan. Parang marble yung design, and it is 45 cm by 2 meters. So medyo malaki-laki siya. Kasi yung isa naman, because I love cherry blossoms, parang may kahawig kasi siyang yung cherry blossoms dahil dun sa pink. Ayan siya. Ayan, pink and yellow detail flower and blue. And also, it is 45 cm by 2 meters. And it's self-adhesive foil. Yun yung nakalagay sa kanya. But yun, so I'm gonna show you kung nagawa ko na yung cover na gusto kong gawin. The second item that I got is the stick marker na heart shape siya. So 75 sheets yung nakalagay. And 72 by 68 mm. So ayan siya. Na-cute nga print. There. So yeah. And then the third item naman, the wallpaper pala is 70 pesos. And this one is 30 pesos naman siya. So the third item that I got is this heart-shaped stick note. Ayan, it comes in 4 colors. Pink, pink, yellow, orange, and green. So ayan po. So ito magagamit ko to talaga sa office. If you're fond of sticky notes, and dami po nilang doon, mga sticky notes, 28 pesos, 30 pesos, 40 pesos, may different shapes po sila. So the next item that I got is this face mask. It has an LV print in here. It's cotton. So I think I need face mask because I was diagnosed with an allergy po. So yeah, this face mask po is only 20 pesos, and it says denim face mask. So yeah. And the fifth item that I got is this cute pens. Yeah, it's Spider-Man. Yeah, this is for my son Ali. He is fond of Spider-Man. Kaya yeah, pero hindi ko pa siya na-try kung gasulat ba yun siya. So this is 25 pesos sa dalawang pens na yun. So yun, marami kayong makikitang gano'n ng mga cute stuff, mga accessories. Yun, yung mga fancy accessories, doon yung makikita. The next item that I got is this cute notebook. I bought this for my husband because every time na gumagawa siya ng mga message niya or ng sermon niya, kailangan niya ng notebook. So ito siya. May cute couple. And this is only 40 pesos. So buksan po natin. Ayan, may Chinese siya. Tingnan ko muna kung ano po yung ibig sabihin nito. But yun siya. May couple detail po siya na print na gano'n. Tsaka maganda yung loob niya. Kasi spacious. Ayan siya. The next item that I've got is this Learn and Play activity book for my boys. So this is only 50 pesos. So ayan siya. 50 pesos po siya. May different activities. Ayan, shapes, letters. Buksan natin. Tingnan natin kung ano yung nasa loob. So this is only for 50 pesos and marami silang ganito. Kaya lang, nung pumunta ako after office na, so that's around 6:30, kaya wala na ako masyadong time to roam around and to look for other stuff na pwede kong bilhin. hopefully next time makagawa po ako ng longer video for this. Para pag baka may mga items na kailangan kayo, tsaka makikita niyo doon sa video. So hopefully I can do that. So ito po yung laman niya. I hope you can see. Kaya yung mga letters. And then, yeah, so basically mga activities. Ito naman ay mga stickers. Yun yung may mga numbers. May mga smileys din here. Oh, yun yung mga stickers. Cute. At saka yung mga coloring parts, mga shapes, animals. Yeah, this is good for 4-year-old and above. Because my 5-year-old Ali can already read. So, ayun. So, this is good for him. I forgot, meron pa pala akong nabili para sa sarili ko. I don't know if I can use this because I'm not really fond of stuff like this. But, yeah, siguro sa mga video makagamit ko siya. But in person, hindi. It's not my personality. But, ganahan kay ko sa iya. So, yung cute na earrings na parang pang boho type. So, pag may mga parties kayo, at saka may mga kailangan kayo ng mga accessories, yung mga head, mga flower crown, yung mga bohemian style na andun din sa kanila. So, this is only for 50 pesos for 50 pesos for this one. So, yun yung mga napamili ko for this mini haul. Mini haul lang talaga siya. Hopefully, really talaga makagawa ako ng longer video for you. I hope this one helps. You have a little idea of kung ano yung mga mabibili nyo doon sa store. So, yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Ayaw niyo mag-focus. Focus.